Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by hoodingar.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for RS software. RS software is the ticker name, and you can see it here, RS software. And what you're watching right now is a monthly technical chart of RS software. Along, you can see here the price trend path of RS software for the past few years, and you can also see the technical indicator graphs of RS software. These indicators, these are the indicators that I'm using to do the technical analysis, along with RSA, MACD, momentum, ADX, and money flow. I'm also using Super Trend, 20 and 50 moving average, and Darvas, etc., zigzag, etc. Okay, now if you come back, if you look at the price trend path of RS software, we have data here since 2008 onwards. Actually, you can clearly see that until 2011 there is no significant movement, either in the up one or in the or in the downward direction of this particular stock, and only after 2011 onwards the stock started moving in the upward direction. And that is also slowly, and only the significant movement happened after 2013 June. Okay, it reached its peak, which helped the stock to reach its peak, and that time it is 420 is the peak price, or 415 is nearly 415 approximately, I think, is the peak price that it attained the time in 2014 and September. And after that this stock went down and down, and right now it is under the influence of negative super trend mode. You can clearly see that, and it is playing below the 20, it's a 50-day moving average also. Oh god. And so that's the thing now. So as you already know, people who have been watching my previous videos can clearly tell that what sort of prediction I am going to make. So this particular stock is not good for long-term investment. In the initial glance itself, I'm telling that this stock is not good for long-term investment. Don't go for this stock. Okay. Now we just look at the technical guiding points of these indicators that we had deployed here. Now look at the RSA. RSA is playing on top of the 20 line. It didn't even cross the midpoint, which is 50. Okay, it is playing below the 50 line, though there is a though the tip of the RSI is looking up, but we cannot take that into consideration unless it crosses the 50 midpoint. Okay, now look at the MACD. MACD is playing below the baseline, and even the histogram bars are operating below the baseline. Even the size of the bars are also minuscule. Look at the momentum. Momentum is flat. Momentum is flat. Okay, and it is in the negative direction. It is playing below the baseline, which is 0. Okay, now look at the ADX. Direction strength of the stock is going down, and look at the money flow. Money flow has touched at the bottom, and slowly it is increasing. Okay, this is the only positive sign, and but this is not enough. So all these things, all these we are getting mixed signals, but major of the technical guiding points are in the negative, are pointing towards the negative direction only right now. So now, if you ask me what is the conclusion, then I can clearly say, when it comes to the long-term investment, this is not the stock for you at this moment. Okay, but you can do short-term trading, because there are and there will be a few price spikes, here and there, which help you to get benefited. Uh, but when it comes to the long-term investment, this is not the stock for you. So that is the conclusion. We'll come back to the stock later, and then we will see if there is any positive change, and then we will redo the analysis. Until then, this stock is not good for long-term investment. That is the conclusion. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.